Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about my Dasani Drops flavor enhancer. So this version is the strawberry kiwi version of the Dasani Drops, and Dasani created these drops for people that don't like to drink water but need to. For people who are really into physical fitness, it's recommended that you drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. So Dasani has created this line to help you in achieving that goal. So this bottle here has 1.9 fluid ounces and it is made to last 32 servings. Each bottle has 0 calories per 8 fluid ounce prepared. They say that when you go to use this product that you're supposed to measure it to 1/3 of a teaspoon or 1.7 milliliters. Personally for me, I don't find myself measuring when using this product. I will simply open up the top of this bottle and then I will add as much or as little as I want, and it will just come out the top. Now, based off of experience, if you squeeze too much, if this is the first time you're using the bottle, if there's a good amount inside of it, it will just start basically squirting out. So a little goes a long way. So I would try as much as possible not to squeeze the dear life out of it, because a lot of liquid will come out. So before I do the demonstration, I am going to just read the ingredients real quick. So if there's anyone out there that would like to look them up, they can. So those are the ingredients that make up this Dasani Drops flavor enhancer. So what I'm going to do is conduct my demonstration. So I have an 8 fluid ounce bottle of water here, and what I usually do is I pop open the cap here, and then I will put in a drop, and you kind of have to squeeze the bottle, and you see how a drop just went inside. So what I would do is put the cap on, and I'm just going to do this real quick, and then I'm going to shake it around, and you can see how the color of the water has already changed because I put the Dasani Drops inside. So it's pretty much dissolved inside the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up real quick, and then I'm going to take a sip. So that tastes really good. Now I do notice that with only a drop, you still taste mostly water and less strawberry. So if you're someone who really doesn't like water, you may want to put in a second drop, and I will do that like so. Okay, so that might have been a little bit too much. That might be like 3 drops, but it's very hard to control that when you're just kind of ad lib squeezing the bottle. But I'll do the same thing again, where I will screw on the top, and then I will shake it around, and you see it's a little bit pinker. And now I will just shake it one more time, and I'm just going to close the top of this, and then I'm going to open it again. And then, so I'm going to take a sip now. Wow. So this is a little bit too strong for me. But for other people who don't like water, this actually might be really good for you. Like 2 really good squirts of this probably will do the trick for you. You can do it a little bit more, just so you don't taste the water at all. But in general, it tastes very sweet. and it's something that I would highly recommend to others. If I didn't say so already, there is 0 calories per 8 fluid ounces, so it's not going to affect any type of calorie budget that you have. It is something that I would highly recommend to others. So this is perfect for a workout. You know, usually I will go to the gym and take a spin class, and I will put the Dasani drops inside, and I will be on my spin bike, and I will drink this flavored water while I'm working out, and it is absolutely awesome. It's great for after a workout. So it really is something that I would highly recommend to people. I would gift it to your friends or your family. You know, it's not a big gift, but it's something that does last a long time. You know, I would say a bottle would last, depending on how much you put in per serving, I would say anywhere between 3 and 6 months for this small bottle, depending on how much or how little you put in. I'm going to sign off for now, and I hope you enjoyed my demonstration.